The next texture is a woven texture. Now this is a basket and I have created a woven texture, a texture that is showing weaving in a basket. Very easy. Just draw 3 to 4 strokes which are standing. Now I have created slight curve over here. After that, 4 sleeping or horizontal. Again vertical, horizontal, vertical. So you have to continue in this pattern. Below this, where there is vertical, you will start with horizontal, and below the horizontal you will do vertical texture. So this is now giving you a woven effect or a woven texture. Isn't it very simple? Our next effect is watery. Our texture here that we are showing, that we are seeing, is giving us an illusion of water. Water drops are falling and splash of water is coming out. Very simple. Just some random curvy lines to give that illusion of water. Some drops. Big and small to show that splashing effect. And if you are showing the drops pointing upwards, then it looks like it is raining. You can use another color. To give this watery texture. Can you guess what texture this is? Yes, stony. When you see this picture, you feel that you are looking at a stone wall. So how are we going to create this texture? It's very easy. We'll draw some horizontal lines. Then short vertical lines. When you come to the second row, you will draw a vertical line in between these two vertical lines. See? You can color this wall with red color to give the brick effect, or with a grey color to give a stony effect. Both ways, this is a stone. So just color it on one side and leave it. So you see, this is giving a brick wall effect or a stony effect, or a texture of a stone or a wall. Our next texture, something that is having thorns. It's a thorny effect. It's very easy. Now suppose this is a cactus. To create this thorny effect or a prickly effect, just have to draw some pointy lines, big and small, here and there. give this pointy effect. And a cactus or the prickly effect is ready. The last texture that we are looking at is a woody texture. Now when you see this, it gives you an illusion or the feeling that you are looking at a wood. Let's learn how to draw this effect. Draw some random lines which are curved. Then go over these lines and color the center. So you just have to draw some lines in between. To create this woody effect.